Hello students, today we will discuss the chapter relation. In relation, what we will discuss? Write its contents, what we will discuss in this relation, and it is for your class 11. First bit, product of sets. Second bit, number of elements. Number of elements in product of sets. In product of sets. Second bit, equality. Equality of order pair. Equality of ordered pair. Fourth bit, properties of product of sets. Properties of product of sets. Next bit, definition of relation. Definition of relation. Next bit, number of relation. Number of relation. Next bit, domain and range. Domain and range. Next bit, domain and range. Next bit, inverse relation. Inverse relation. Next bit, relation on a set. Relation on a set. Some special relations on a set. Some special relation on a set. And the last bit, kinds of relations. Kinds of relations. We will discuss one by one. Come to first, product of sets. Product of sets. Product of sets. This is also called Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. If A and B are any two sets, we will discuss in this definition. If A and B are any two sets, then A cross B, product of two sets A and B, A cross B equal to XY, such that X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. Similarly, for any three sets A, B, C, what is A cross B cross C? A cross B cross C, that is X, Y, Z, such that X belongs to A, Y belongs to B, and Z belongs to C. Similarly, for the product of the sets A1, A2 dot dot AN, this is also called product of AI. I varies from 1 to n. Product of AI. This is called product of AI. I varies from 1 to n, means A1 into A2 into A3 dot dot n. That is equals to curly bracketed x1 x2 dot dot xn, such that xi belongs to AI. What is I? I is 1 2 dot dot n, means x1 belongs to A1, x2 belongs to A2, x3 belongs to A3. This is the product of sets. Look at what you say to the xy. Xy is called ordered pair or two tuples. XYZ, it is called ordered triplet or three tuples. Similarly, x1, x2 dot xn is called n tuples. Write in the note x comma y is called ordered pair. Ordered pair. First bit, second bit, x comma y comma z is called, this is called ordered pair or two tuples. Two terms. Similarly, x y z is called ordered triplet or three tuples. Three tuples. Third bit, x1 x2 dot dot xn called n tuples because it contains n components, so it is called n tuples. So it is called n tuples, right? Now come to one example for product of sets. Come to one example for product of sets. How we define the product of two sets? Look at, come to example. A set contains the element 1, 2, 3. B set contains the element 4, 5. Then what is A cross B? A cross B is 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4 and 3, 5. 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. Right? This is the product of two sets. Now, how to find the product of three sets? Let us take C contains the element xy. C contains the element xy. Then how to find A cross B cross C? Look at how to find A cross B cross C. 1 4x, 1 4y, 1 5x, 1 5y, 2 4x, 2 4y, 2 5x, 2 5y, 3 4x, 3 4y, 3 5x, 3 5y. Right? This is A cross B cross C. 1 4x, 1 4x, 1 4y. Next. 1 5x, 1 5y. Next, 2 4x, 2 4y, 2 5x, 2 5y, 3 4x, 3 4y, 3 5x, 3 5y. This is all about the A cross B cross C. Now question, what do we say to xy? This is called the ordered pair. X is called the first component and y is called the second component. Similarly, in case of x, y, z, x is called first component, y is the second component and z is the third component. Now tell me how many elements are present in A cross B cross C? Look at A contains 3 elements, B contains 4 elements, 2 elements and C contains 2 elements. So number of elements present in A cross B cross C is 3 into 2 into 2, that is 12. Here the number of elements present in product of sets. Next heading, number of elements present in product of sets. Now write product of sets. Product of number of elements in product of sets. Number of elements. How many elements present in product of sets? If cardinality equal to m, cardinality b equal to n, then cardinality of A cross B equals to m into n, mn. Right? A cross B is m into n. Then what is the cardinality of power set of A cross B? Power set of A cross B is 2 to the power mn. Next is, what is the cardinality of power set of A into power set of B? That is 2 to the power m into 2 to the power n is 2 to the power m plus n. This is the number of elements present in product of two sets. If similarly, what is the number of elements present in A cross B cross C? That is product of elements in A cardinality of A into cardinality of B into cardinality of C. This is the product of three sets. This is the number of elements present in A cross B and A cross B cross C. Come to one example for this. Come to one example. Let cardinality equal to 2, cardinality B is equals to 3 and cardinality C is equals to 4. Find first bit cardinality of A cross B, second bit cardinality of A cross B cross C, third bit cardinality of power set of A cross B, fourth bit cardinality of power set of A cross B cross C, fifth bit power set of A cross power set of B cross power set of C cardinality. Look at its answer is 2 into 3 6. Its answer is 2 into 3 into 4 24 and its answer is power set of A cross B is 2 to the power 6 64 and power set of A cross B cross C is 2 to the power 24 and here 2 to the power 2 plus 3 plus 4 2 to the power m plus n plus r 2 to the power 9. This is the number of elements present in product of sets. Right. Now come to one example for now come to equality of order pair. Equality. Now come to equality. First bit if x comma y equal to a comma b, then x will be equal to a and y will be equal to b. X comma y comma z equal to a comma b comma c implies x is equal to a, y equal to b, z is equal to c. Come to one third bit x1 x2 dot dot xn is equals to a1 a2 dot dot an. Then x1 is equals to a1, x2 is equals to a2 dot dot xn is equals to an. Right. Now we solve some questions on it. Solve x plus y comma 2x minus y equal to 3 comma 5. First bit, second bit 2x minus 2x plus y 3x plus 4y is equal to 3 comma 9. Third bit x plus y plus z plus x is equal to 3 5 4. Fourth bit x plus 2y plus 2z plus 2z z plus 2x is equals to 5 4 10. Now come to one more question for it. X square plus y square comma xy that is equals to 17 comma 4, x greater than y greater than 0. 6 bit x square plus y square comma xy is equal to 26 comma 5 0 less than x less than y. 7th bit x plus root y comma y plus root x is equals to 7 comma 11. Last bit x square plus y square comma x plus y equals to 13 comma 5. Now what is x plus y? X plus y is equal to 3 and 2x minus y is equal to 5. If you add x plus y and 2x minus y, first bit answer x plus y equal to 3, 2x minus y equals to 5. Add this 3, 3x is equals to 8, x is equals to 8 by 3. Put this value in here to get the value of y. and this is all about the first part of the relation, and in the next video we will discuss the rest part of the relation.